Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just found poop. And that's not a sentence I would usually say. But look at this. We're trying to figure out what this might be. There's like some bugs in it. It's like a lot of leafy material. And then, what did you say?
Probably is an otter.
It's probably an otter!
Probably. I mean,
Probably an otter!
being that we're on the river, you know, this be exactly the type of the spot that they'd love to hang out in. So, and like where the poop is, it's like in the middle of the water, so I don't see a lot of other animals going to poop there. So.
I've never been so excited to see poop in my entire life. I can say that very truthfully. An otter, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I have no words, I'm speechless. So I just found some more poop, which again, super exciting sentence. And I was like looking through it, and what did I find but a vetch seed? I think it's a vetch seed. Yeah, that's a vetch seed. I bet there's even more in there. Somebody's been stealing our seeds, and I think I know who it is. Okay, another poop update. I just realized there's like a lot of carapace in here, and at first I thought it was bugs, but it's crayfish. This otter has been like eating the crayfish, stealing them, along with the seeds, from the creek.
We actually noticed that there was a lot less crayfish today.
Yeah, just 5 minutes ago, we're like, where are all the crayfish? Now we know.
Should maybe step back.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't be walking around with a snake without pants and proper shoes on. Why are we doing this? Just to look at it?
Maybe
is it in there?
Inside the barrel.
Okay, maybe we should stop moving it around then. Yeah. Sorry, buddy. That was a snake. It was very pretty. Oh, is that snake skin? No, it's just trash. Here I am on top of the world! Hello down there. I've just been up here checking the roof because we're trying to figure out how to take it down so that we can reconstruct it at some point. We did get a quote, which was astronomically more than we expected, so we're trying to figure out what we can do ourselves, and one of those things is definitely taking the roof off. So this is what I found. Here's the state of the shed roof. It's definitely looking worse for wear. You can see up the top there's holes where there should not be holes. So I just pulled out a little bit of the section here just to see how much wall we have, because this is our neighbor's house. And we've been trying to figure out like, okay, what can we stand on? So that right there is the first rafter. So it gives us about a foot, maybe a bit more than a foot to stand on, which isn't a lot, but we're going to try and take down as many of these tiles as we can just to lighten the load, and then probably we'll have to collapse the roof inside. If you have better ideas, please let us know, because we are definitely beginners at this, but it seems like there's just so much damage to the rafters and to the beams and to the battens that, yeah, it's not really going to be conducive to stand on any of it, so we'll probably just have to bring it all down. But we'll see. Or what?
Or even stand underneath it.
Yeah, it's a death trap in there, so the sooner we can get this down, the better.
It's gonna take some more detailed footage. I hear the ceiling creaking and cracking.
As you can see from the state of my face, we've been working very hard today. But we've gotten a lot done. We've only been here a few hours, but it's so hot, I think we're gonna call it a day now. But the remaining rooms are like mostly clear. This one's about half done, can't really see it, but I guess there's the brambly half. The hallway is very clear now, we can walk all the way through. This room also about half done. This one is pretty much finished. Like the floor is still a bit scraggly, but we can get in there, and as you can see, there's a beautiful view of our neighbour's house and our olive tree. And then yeah, these are the 2 rooms we were working on the last couple of weeks. This is the main big room, and this is the side room that we were clearing when Monica and Nick were here. Feels like an actual house, or it feels like it will be a house one day. One day, I don't know when, but one day. And yeah, it's always really lovely to be here. Here's a big pile of brambles that we pulled out today, and there's plenty more where that came from. And I'm very happy to report we just pulled out the very last of the trash that was inside this house. So we've got like a big pile of trash, I mean several big piles of trash, but this is where we've been putting all the trash that we've taken out of the house. There it is. And then behind me is all the trash from the warehouse, plus a bit more from the house as well. So it feels really good to have that all cleared out, and that means next week we can get a guy to come with a trailer and take all the trash away, which is going to be so good, so cathartic. And we'll finally get an idea of what the land looks like when there aren't piles of trash all over it. So happy days! Another successful day at the homestead. Look at it. It almost looks like a house. If you ignore the top part and the walls, look, it's kind of like a house. Alright, close her up.
It's a long day.
Yeah, it was a long day. We're getting there though.
Yeah.
Here we are again,
Hey
and this is our friend Jörg in the background, and he's helping us today where we were actually meant to spend today removing these big, where are they? Big trash piles.
Just behind
Big trash piles. There's one. But the guy who was coming to remove them cancelled at the last minute. So we're here anyway. We're going to just keep cleaning out the house as best we can. And I'm going to start maybe, trying to clear the rest of the terrace. We've got like an 1/8 of it done. We'll try to get a bit more done today. Sound good?
Yes, we've been making some good progress in the house. I think that today we will actually be able to like properly walk through the whole house.
Yeah.
All of the rooms. It's going to be nice.
It'll be good. There's still a lot of like broken tiles to clear, but actually all of the like regular trash, car trash is pretty much out. Pretty much all of it, right? Yeah. And then there's a little bit of brambles still to clear, but that's about it for the house, really. Yep. Cool. Let's go.
All right. We have finally cleared all of the rooms, and Jazz going to get first ever look.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
They're still like, okay, I should say we took down all of the upstanding brambles. We didn't necessarily clear out the rooms, but we can face the walls.
Oh my god, this is so crazy how open it is.
Something we couldn't do in the past.
Alright,
go ahead, Jazz. Jazz's reaction too.
Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. There's sunlight in here. It's incredible. Wow. Dude, this is so cool, like actually seeing the house as a house and not just as a big old trash yard.
Yeah.
Dude, even this, like, just clearing out that little section, it makes everything feel bigger.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
A closer look at some of the walls, some of the issues, but also start to really get a feel for the place.
Wow.
And there's another room.
Yeah, right.
Also recently cleared.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, this is insane.
I was talking about the other one. Okay.
Oh, let's go look at that too. This one?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my god, man. We have rooms. We have various rooms. This is insane.
Just need to drag all the brambles out of the house now, but
wow, like this makes such a huge difference to how it
Yes.
feels. And actually, like the walls look really good in here.
They're not
I mean,
too
that's
bad.
Not awesome, but it's not
it's
terrible.
not terrible.
Yeah.
Nothing too serious.
Oh man, very exciting.
Yay.
Yay indeed. Thank you.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, babe.
Look at this. Look at it. Look how big that is! And it's growing out of our wall. Like, it's deep in, it's like one with the house. This is why this place has to be called a Mora garden, because we're never getting rid of this stuff. Will we just have to cohabitate forever? It's between the rocks of the foundations. Oh my god, that's really not what you want. I don't know how we're gonna get this out.
This is what we're dealing with.
This right here. Some old dude's legacy. And now our problem. Ah, up, and away!
And we want to believe, we are hopeful, and we want to believe that underneath all of these brambles, there is no more trash. Yet the reality continues to prove that it's a lot more grim than we had hoped for. So we will just keep removing brambles and hopefully stop finding trash underneath all of it at one point. Hopefully soon.
I think I'm having one of those moments where I suddenly realize this is our place. I think that a lot of this has been really surreal. Well, surreal to begin with, and then kind of just like constant like go, 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 where we're always looking at the tasks directly in front of us. And then, you know, scheming about what this will be one day, but don't think I often take enough time to like stop and just be grateful for what it is. But yeah, I was just walking up towards the house and we've done so much work today that's visible, like it's very tangible work. The house looks completely different, and yeah, I'm actually like getting very like a bit emotional, I think, like seeing the transformation that's taking place by our hands and the hands of our friends who have come to help. And it feels really good. Yeah, it feels really good.
That is it for another episode. Finally back to our regular programming.
Yeah, our hard drive that failed has been
Restored.
revived. So we have a lot of videos to share with you, so you can expect a lot more stuff soon. We've got a huge backlog to get through. We also wanted to give a massive shout out to Jörg for coming and helping us. Always a pleasure to have friends come and help. So thank you very much, Jörg.
Yes.
And a huge thank you to my friend Pikachu, who left us a really large donation actually on our coffee, which has been the biggest by far until now. So thank you so much. It's going to go a long way. If you have ideas of what we should be putting these donations toward, like if we want to have a big project and we haven't really decided what that will be yet, leave us a comment, and we're very open to suggestions.
Let us know what you think. And yeah, if you are looking forward to all the videos, which will be coming very, very soon, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also to leave a like on this video. That's a huge help as well, and we really appreciate all of the support we've been getting from everyone.
Yep.
And yeah,
Okay, until next time, expect something very, very soon.
See you on the next one.
Bye.